Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This particular video is on does reading to my child every day prevent dyslexia? Well, like I always say that I encourage parents to read to their child every day. It is so essential and it has multiple benefits. I have mentioned about this in my previous videos. You can check it out. I'll also be providing a link to that. Now, does reading to your child every day from a young age prevent dyslexia? What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning disability which affects a child's ability to read, to spell, to write correctly, to articulate. It affects multiple aspects which is connected to language development. Now, why does this happen? It is something very inherent. It's not anybody's fault. It's neither the child's fault, not your fault. It is something very inherent and connected to the brain. Now, a child showing signs of dyslexia would have that aspect of the brain, that part of the brain, which is connected to language development, slightly affected. Now, does reading to your child from a very young age, getting the child exposed to print, helping the child enhance fluency of reading, comprehension of reading, simply by reading every day and involving in a very interactive process through bedtime stories, all these processes, thus it prevent dyslexia or language disability, or sorry, reading disability? I would say no, you can't prevent it because it's something very inherent. But yes, this kind of processes will aid to help reduce the impact of dyslexia. Yes, because you are already started the process of getting a child exposed to print, getting a child to read, and getting a child to start making letter sound connection, the phonetics by your own, by reading to the child, getting the child follow you by reading. Okay, so and also when you're reading, the child is also following how you're pronouncing the word, articulating the word, what each letter is. You're probably finger pointing while reading. So you're already doing those positive steps which should aid to improve automaticity in reading, improve fluency of reading, get the child think about what is in the story. So in that case, improving comprehension of reading material. So these processes will help to reduce the impact of dyslexia, if not completely prevent it. And a lot of things can be smoothened out in the simple process of reading to your child every single day, or even consistently in a very joyous ways. Let me tell you, when your child, in a situation where, say, your child is diagnosed with dyslexia and you are advised reading specialist or an intervention specialist to help improve the child's fluency of reading or reading abilities, the one thing that person is going to be doing, the profession is going to be doing, is enabling your child to read more, by reading into your child, enabling your child to make those letter sound connections. They're going to be doing the same thing anyways, just that it'll be a little more intense and a little more focused. But in your case, the fact that you're starting out early, it is a more joyous process, right? You're doing this whole thing in a format of bedtime stories, in a format of building bond with your kid in a very fun way. Maybe you're using props, maybe you're using some kind of role plays during your bedtime stories and reading to your child. It's in a more fun way rather than an intense way. So this has a more additional benefit of getting your child interested in reading, interested in book, and also addressing the issue of dyslexia if at all your child is showing symptoms. And even then, it will be much lesser. The impact will be much lesser. So you'll be already in the process of addressing that issue, if not completely eliminating that issue. So you see, there are so many benefits of reading to your child, so many benefits of getting to your child interested in reading, interested in books, apart from, yes, having a more smoother school years, and also getting the child to the pathway of being a lifelong learner. So yes, get into the habit of reading to your child every day. get in the habit of somehow inspiring your child use these strategies to inspire your child towards books and reading, and see how your child blossoms and soars in life and will be definitely successful in life, in spite of whatever stumbling blocks may come through that, through the process of growth and development of your child. So yes, happy reading and happy parenting. If you like this particular video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I have also launched a course for parents, which is called the Empowered Teaching Blueprint, which gives a very step-by-step approach to how to get your child inspired to reading. It is all video-based course. If you want to know more about the course, I'll be putting the link to my email ID. You can contact me for a one-to-one session. And also, you can also get into my tribe, which is the Facebook exclusive tribe for parents. You can get into my Facebook group, where I'll be also posting podcasts and videos regularly into my group. If ever you have missed any video, it'll be there in the particular group also. Yes, and you can also check out my website. I'll be giving the link to my website as well. So yes, until my next video, have a great week. Thank you and bye-bye.